Is your Dodge 5.9 Cummins suffering from hard starts and rough idle? The culprit may be your fuel injector connector tubes. Make a change with the XDP OER series fuel injector connector tubes. Over time, the stock tubes can corrode due to poor fuel quality, causing cracks and leaks that can result in poor engine operation. This high-quality replacement part is designed to be a direct fit replacement for the cracked or leaking connector tubes in your engine, ensuring consistent fuel flow and preventing leaks. The XD526 is manufactured to meet OEM quality specifications, and it comes with a new O-ring to ensure a tight seal between the fuel injector and the fuel rail. Plus, it's designed to be a simple installation with no modifications required. Don't let your engine suffer from poor fuel flow and leaks. Replace your stock connector tubes with the XDP OER series fuel injector connector tubes today. Visit xdp.com to learn more or contact a local dealer near you.